Your cousin is here. You mean Rainlight? Yes, Rainlight, she's here right now. Yes. Rainlight. Rainlight's here. Rainlight's here. She's here. I'll sit here peacefully waiting for her. Yay. Is she here yet? Her mom needs to go on a long business trip, and so she has nobody watch over because her dad also has to go, so she left with nobody. And so she's gonna stay with us for one day. Oh. Who's Rainlight? Yeah, who's Rainlight? Yeah, who is a she? Your cousin, you've met her before, but at that time you were 1 year old. And they were your age at that time. Yup. Okay, be polite. She's going to be here very soon. Okay? Just wait a bit longer. 1.5 hours later. Hour later. Girls, she's here. Oh, sorry. Let's just say kid she's here because we have one boy. That's me, Goldie. Thank you. She really needs a place to stay. Oh, no worries. I have free time today. We can watch her. When you will be back? Oh, I'll be back at 12 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. We had to wake up early and get ready. She didn't even have breakfast. My kids don't have breakfast either. Well, let's eat something. We'll have some breakfast. We'll make sure to feed her, make sure she has fun, and we'll make sure she's comfortable. Thank you. No. Gonna be fine. Rainlight. So, Pixie, how have you been doing? I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't seen you in 2 years. Oh, I'm doing just fine. Well, how is my brother doing? Oh, you're talking about my husband, but your brother, but yeah, he's doing great. He's working right now. He's making dreams come true right now. For all the good little Beanie Boos. He's working right now. He'll be back. Yep. He'll be back 12 at midnight. Most of the times he gets there at 12, but sometimes he gets there at 10 earlier. Oh, I'm glad that my brother's doing just fine. Mom, do I have to? Unless you want to stay Hey, at your house by yourself with nobody to watch you. Aww, okay. For your own goods. Yes, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Listen to Aunt Fantasia. She's doing this because she loves you. Really? Yup, and I love you too. That's why I'm taking you here. Okay. By tomorrow, she's not going to want to go home. Oh, I'm pretty sure that. Oh, yes, I'm going to want to go home really good. And I'm going to go and I'm going to be like, come on. I'm not sure about that. But the main part is have fun. I love you. Bye, Mom. Bye. You're going to have a lot of fun, Rainlight. I don't know about that. Rainlight, let's go play. What's your name? What? You don't remember me? No, I never met you before. Yes, you have. We used to be best BFFs. I don't remember any of that. Sorry. Well, we don't have any chitter chatter. I'm gonna go make breakfast. Okay. Hope it's good. Okay, got some fish for Harmony and Rainlight and a plain old healthy for the little ones. Kids! Time to eat. Do, 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 do. Fish? No, you're getting you're getting the plain old veggie for today. The plain old veggie and rice. I have that almost every single day. So does your brother and your twin. Okay? Now come on, Flakes. Come on! I'm here too. I'm also here. Oh, let me go get Harmony and Rainlight. Harmony, Rainlight, it's time to go eat. We're just talking. Girls. Yes, we have. You just don't have a good tone memory. Of course I have a good tone memory. Nuh-uh, if you did, you would have remembered our friendship. What are you talking about? This is the first time I met you. And why do you have spots? Do you have some beanie pox? because not because you already got your medicine, and you only have it once time in your life, and if you do have it, then that means only the weirdo unicorns have it. No, these are not beanie pox. This is my fur tone. Well, it looks strangely weird. No, it does not. Yeah, no, it doesn't. You really changed. Oh, I've always been the nice, kind rain light. I don't think so. And I'm the best. No, everybody's equal. You just don't remember our friendship. This is the first time I met you. You are a really weird cousin. No, I'm not. No one calls me weird. Kids, why are you arguing early in the morning? It's time to eat breakfast. I don't want to hear any more chitter-chatter. No arguing in the morning. Of course, Aunt Fantasia. I'll get you back for this. No, you won't. Kids, go eat now. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Later on, what a bad tone memory you have. Who is that? Is that crib yours? Do you sleep in a baby crib? And down the little baby slide it goes. It's not even steep or fun or long. And there's weird little creatures in there. They're called rainbow corns. So those kind of creatures look really weird. Do you even play with those? Yes. Weird. We heard that. You're not stronger. Others, I can fix you up. It's really easy. Run for your lives! Hurry, hurry. Where am I safe? In the ball pit. No! I'm safe here. Nobody will find me. Phew. You do not talk with my sisters and brothers like that. You could tell me. Yes. If you are my mom. You need to learn how to be nice. I am nice. No, you're not. What? I'm not nice? He. Now my horn is a little red. And all I have to do is come with me. Ah! Just stay there. Okay? This is going to be really simple. I know how to do real tears whenever I want to. And all I have to do is... Ah! Oh my gosh. Rainlight, are you okay? No, not at all. Harmony hurt my horn. I don't see anything wrong with your horn. Look, it's a bit red. It hurts a lot. Oh no. Here, come. Rest. Oh. Harmony? What did you do? I'm not doing anything. She's framing me, I promise. Very likely story, Harmony. I want you to go and you're going to go to timeout. What? Timeout? I'm too old for timeouts. No such thing as too old for timeouts. No! You stay here until you behave. Lock, lock, lock. And I'm locking the doors. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going into Harmony. I'll be fine. Ow, 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 ow. Your horn needs a break. She framed me. Now to stay here. Stay here. For hurting a family member. Literally 3 hours. Hope you're okay. Yes, I'm okay. The sun's already going down. It's going to be late really soon. You've been arguing for many hours. Here, you can have it on the couch. Enjoy. Thanks. Harmony, I'm going to make you something. No No unicorn likes chocolate cupcakes. And it's a bunny cupcake? We don't want to eat. We want ice cream. You need to eat your fruits. Nuh-uh. Fruit popsicles. I'll take some of these out. Okay, ice cream. Ice cream for you. Ice cream for you. Ice cream for you. Yeah, we got popsicles. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Oh. Okay, here goes nothing. Pet. Ew. Done. Well, I already took Rainlight's dish over. It's time for bed. Harmony, your timeout is done. Finally. Here you go. You get inside the crib too. Mom, we're big girls. We don't need to go in a crib. I'll buy you a new big girl bed later. And plus, even your brother has to sleep in a crib still. And I also got my teddy bear. Pixie, you go sleep in the guest room. Shoo. I'm so tired already. And you go to bed too. I'm hot. Good night. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Yay! Rainlight. Did I hear Rainlight? Rainlight left. Good. Another timeout. Another timeout. No.